Hello everyone, I am Justina Paris and I welcome you all to the discussion of the 20 CLAT GK questions. So आज का पहला question है with regard to Article 348 Clause 1A जो state करता है Parliament by law proceeds otherwise all proceedings before the Supreme Court and every High Court shall be conducted in. So very easy question, straightforward question है. कौन से language में होता है Supreme Court और High Court के proceedings, legal proceedings होते हैं English के language में. So answer is 1B. Let's understand the next question. How many courts are allowed to use Hindi in their proceedings? कितने courts allowed हैं? 4 courts. And how many high courts are there in the country? You are going to tell me in the chat box because we have discussed this in a greater detail. So your answer is 4. And you can also mention which are the 4 states that use Hindi in their legal proceedings. Right? Let me go to the next question. What is the capital of Brunei? Okay, straightforward question है. बंदर सेरी बेगावन because अभी प्राइम मिनिस्टर आज मीटिंग कर रहे हैं उनके प्राइम मिनिस्टर के साथ जो है सुल्तान हसन नाल. ओके, सो वी सीन लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग जो मोनार्क है ब्रुनेई के. देन वी ऑल्सो सी वियंतियन विच इज द कैपिटल ऑफ लाओस. ये लाओस का कैपिटल है. नॉपिदेओ विच इज म्यांमार का. ऑल राइट, एंड नॉमपेन इज कैम्बोडिया. So we've seen some other capitals also. Let's proceed to the next question. Recently, the Union Cabinet cleared 3,300 semiconductor assembly and testing plant in which of the following state? ये हमने देखा था गुजरात के सनंद जैसे region में is where we are seeing this plant. Next question. India Semiconductor Mission किस मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर काम करता है? दिस इज द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड आईटी. हमको पता है 76,000 करोड़ इसके लिए दिया गया है. 2021 में ये लॉन्च हुआ था, राइट? एंड उसी के अंदर हम देखते हैं गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च कर रहा है ऐसे सेटअप कर रहा है ऐसे सेमीकंडक्टर प्लांट्स. नीतीश कुमार who won the gold medal at Paralympics 2024 कौन से स्पोर्ट खेलता है? Again, what's the answer? The answer is badminton. So the answer to this is straightforward, 6B. How many sports are included in Paralympics? Paralympics में 22 है. Olympics में हमने देखा था that there are 32 sports. So remember this, very very important. Next question. Which is the official slogan of Olympics and Paralympic Games Paris 2024? तो क्या है इसका आंसर? इसका आंसर है Games Wide Open. The slogan is Games Wide Open. Answer is D. Next question. Avani Lekhara. She won the gold medal at Paris Olympics for which of the following sports? ये हमने start के क्लास में देखा था. This is shooting. Answer is shooting. 9C. Who won the first Paralympic award for India? Okay, ये स्विमिंग के लिए इन्होंने जीता था. That is मुरलीकांत पेटकर. मुरलीकांत पेटकर. So answer is C. The Paralympic Games 2024 is taking place in which of the following places? So answer to this is Paris, of course. But this was an easy question. Let me put a little more confusion in this. Paralympics 4 साल के बाद 2028 कहां पे होगा? Okay, if you know the answer, if you don't know, the answer is Los Angeles. ठीक है? Proceeding to the next question. Unified Lending Interface ULI ये कौन लॉन्च कर रहा है? And that is RBI. So the answer to this is RBI. Disaster Management Act was enacted in which year? Okay, straightforward question. हमने देखा है आज के एडिटोरियल में. The answer to this is 2005. And now we've seen the amendment also, but let's see if it is passed. Next question. Who is the chairperson of the National Disaster Management Authority? आज के आर्टिकल में of course डिस्कस किया है. आंसर है Prime Minister is the chairperson of the NDMA. How many departmental committees are there in the Parliament? कितने हैं? 24. कब बना था ये? 1993 में. Okay, it started with 17, 2004 में और committees आए and the total number is 24. Next question. How many department related standing committees are under राज्य सभा? तो राज्य सभा जो हेड करता है मेंबर, कितने मेंबर्स कमिटीज ऐसे हैं? 8. Okay, so in 24 departmental standing related committees, we have 8 under the Rajya Sabha, 16 under the Lok Sabha. और कितने members होते हैं? 31. Okay. Let's proceed to the next question. Which of the following is not a member of ASEAN? आज के आर्टिकल में देखा है Brunei and Singapore, yes, they are the members, but China, of course, is not the member. 10 countries है. We've seen this in other previous classes also. So remember Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, and then we have Thailand, Vietnam and Brunei, Philippines. So remember Bangkok Declaration के थ्रू ये बना था 1967 में, and the headquarters or the secretariat of ASEAN is in Jakarta. So all of this is what we've seen in our various classes. So remember, answer to this is China is not a member. Which committee recommended the theatre command in India? It was the Shekatkar committee that we have seen in today's article. तो इन्होंने ये किया था. Of course, we have Andaman Nicobar integrated commands, but it is limited है, small है, and now we're going to have how many such integrated commands? 3, Western, Eastern, and Maritime. Let's understand the next question. Which of the following is not an indigenous cattle breed of India? Answer है Jersey. ठीक है, it's not from India. The others are indigenous, Gir, Sahiwal and Red Sindhi. Let's see the next question. Who is the father of white revolution in India? So हम livestock productivity बात कर रहे हैं. Yes, of course. यहाँ पे अगर हम milk production की बात करें, it is Dr. Verghese Kurian, right? MS Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution, okay, and Norman Borlaug is mainly the father of Green Revolution in the world, right? So ये India के father of Green Revolution है, this is Norman Borlaug, and finally Vikram Sarabhai with regard to space research, he is the father of space research in India. So these are all the 20 questions. I hope कि आपको maximum यहाँ पे correct मिले हों. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.